Look out, Han Solo, there's a new Rogue in town, a Nissan Rogue. This is a custom Millennium Falcon themed show vehicle made for the red carpet premiere of Solo, a Star Wars story. And we got an exclusive look at the building of this vehicle from start to finish over the last 2 weeks. Let's take a look.
So we gave ILM and the design team over there just really a clean sheet of paper and said, what vehicle could we showcase from the movie Solo, a Star Wars story? And so they gave us all kinds of options to choose from, everything from Han's speeder to swoop bikes. But at the end of the day, if you're going to do one vehicle, you have to do a vehicle based on the Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy.
You've got a windshield that's custom fabricated to look just like the cockpit of the Millennium Falcon, a custom hood. You've got this front bumper that has been put together. I mean, they have worked so hard on this car. Over 1,000 man-hours to be exact. Obviously, you need to have a cannon on board to be able to win those dogfights out in space. Custom hubcaps help complete the look, along with an absolutely beautiful custom paint job that really brings this show vehicle to life. But the one thing you haven't seen yet is the inside, guys. You gotta see this. Previous Star Wars show vehicles that Vehicle Effects have put together haven't had accessible interiors until now.
So we did a really cool rear panel setup. So when you're sitting in the car, you get a nice backdrop that looks very on point with what the interior of the Millennium Falcon is. And we also did some custom interior elements. Lando's yellow and the rear seats and so forth are represented. And then there's lots of lights and buttons and switches.
Honestly, the only thing missing is a Wookiee co-pilot. Oh my God, this car is amazing! The back of the car is where the Millennium Falcon themed show car comes to life. Not only do you have a radar dish and a 1,500 watt Bose sound system, you also have a subspace hyperdrive unit spanning the entire back of the car that not only looks amazing, it sounds amazing too. That's it for me here at Vehicle Effects. See you in a galaxy far, far away.